GoHighLevel Harris is the best affiliate on the planet. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to set up URL redirects. The use of this is that, say if you've got a really long link, what you can do is have your own custom domain / whatever you want / YouTube / Instagram / whatever, and shorten that massive URL to a very short one. Okay, so let's do that right now. Let me show you. So what you want to do is go into a sub account, go into settings, and make sure a domain is set up on this sub account. I've made a video on that, just search it up. And then what you want to do is come down to URL redirect and press create, okay? And select your domain. Now the path you want it to be, want to shorten my Zoom link because it's super long and I just want it to be short, okay? So I can have it /booking or /meeting. Now the URL, you can have it a URL, you can have a funnel, you can add a website, LMX website, whatever website it is, and just type in the URL. So here's my massive Zoom call URL, okay? So now I can press add redirect. So let's test this out. So let's say in a email, for example, I want to send a meeting invitation. I can send a nice professional one. So lmx.com/meeting, okay? What I can do, open Zoom, and here we are in the Zoom call. So now I can use that domain /meeting, put that in my emails, and whoever wants to book a meeting with me, you can press in the description, there's a link there. They won't have to click an ugly URL link. They can see a nice professional short one, click that and get things going from there. Now you can also edit it if you made a mistake, you want to change it to a website or funnel, delete them as well. You can link to Instagram, Facebook, literally any URL on the planet you can do this for. You just need to connect your domain up to the sub account and should be set from there. If you're looking to actually learn high level, my playlists are by far the best on YouTube. I've made sure of that. So first one, I've literally numbered them. First one, getting started, websites, clients, whatever. And if you want to start the free trial, if you sign up through my affiliate link in the description, you get your free trial plus all these benefits here, like one-on-one support, my sales scripts, etc. You can read them all there. So yeah, that's how you can set up a URL redirect. If this helped you, please like the video. It helps me out, and thank you.